Hello, how are you? Are you feeling well? Are you doing okay? I hope so. Today I just want to show you, I don't know, just a little chat, show you a few things that I'm amazed at. I am getting my video together about 5-star products that make me go, I gotta show my friends this. That's a good one. I'll show you this. I got this for $7 at Walmart. And look, $7 for all this. Okay, look, 4 orange, 2, 3, 4 green, and 4 yellow. For $7, but they're really nice. They're really nice. I'm very fussy about my microfiber cloths to clean. These seem very nice. I put the link down below because this is a bargain. You know? Really good. I love them. I love them. Look. They have the right size. They're nice and soft. And I think they would be great to clean, scrub, clean anything. Today I did my eyebrows with this. They came out perfect. They're a little dark, but I had to powder them after. I use these stencils. I just saw it on somebody's channel. She's a beautiful girl. She's gorgeous. Her husband's gorgeous. The baby is, and that's her name. I forgot. Oh, Beauty Vassar Beauty, I think it is. These are the stencils. And you just pop them out, but you pop out the silhouette, and then you get all these sizes. You put this elastic through both sides, and then you put it on your eyebrows like that, and it's nice and tight and fitted, and you put this through the hole. And then you line them up. Now, then you fill it with the powder. What I did was I took my EYEBROW and I went over the whole thing. And because I only have the blonde, it doesn't really show, but it gives me that sticking power. So then I took a pencil and a pomade and I did my brows, and I suggest you hold off on the EYEBROW until after the stencil is off, because it makes it easier to do any corrections if there's not such a permanent color on your eyebrows. Voila! Well, when I took it off, they were a little too thick. So I just took a Q-tip and I just and here. It's pretty good. It was really good. I'm quite pleased. They're absolutely perfectly even, and you could use anything you want. Powder, eyeshadow, pomade, a stick, a pencil. It's amazing. I think they're really good, and I'll put a link down to this inexpensive one, which you get a lot of these. Now, I know they sell just individual, but you have to hold it, and then it's maybe not even with the other one. But this makes 2 even brows. You pop out the silhouette, and you get 2 even brows that stay on your head, and you just fill them in, and you're done. It's great. I love it. I love it. We have new masks, and they are so cute. I'm going to put pictures at the end of the video. I'm still selling them, and my son's still making them in his factories. So if you're interested, anytime, just email me at theocarolshow@yahoo.com. Update on the Rimmel liquid lips. Now they have a moisture liquid lip, but the liquid lip that I told you about, that I got mocha, very, very drying. After wearing them for a week, I'll tell you what I like them for. Just for a lip liner. If you put it as a lip liner and then you put your other colors, it will stay on. Or if you just put it on and then put your lipsticks over it, your regular lipsticks, it will stay, it will feel much better. But that alone was very drying. So that's my final opinion. So, okay, I just wanted to touch base and let you know also I am still searching for a home health care. I don't get this. I have spent like 3 weeks already searching on phone calls with doctors and Medicare and Aetna and caretake companies and healthcare workers, and some say they only can come and give a bath. I don't want this is really hard. My sister and I have been working on this and not having much luck right now. But I'm still trying. Because I really need to get another pair of eyeballs on her. So I did read some of your comments when I told you why I wasn't here. It was because of my mom when she had the stroke. And she just loves it. She loves it. She goes, "Oh, they're talking about me? Are they saying that about me?" And I go, "Sure." So I'll put a little clip here of her. In fact, I have 2 cute clips. One where I'm coming to see her and one where I'm leaving. And I hope you enjoy. Pray for the world. I'm praying for you. And have a beautiful day. Love you. Enjoy the clips.
Hello, Sally. It's Carol. Hello.
Wow. Oh, I couldn't even see you. Now I could see you.
Hi, sweetie.
Oh, I'm so happy to see
Oh,
you. How are you?
good.
Oh, and I just went out there to throw garbage out.
Did you? Oh,
Yeah,
I would have thrown it for
a little
you.
package.
Okay. I
Oh,
have
how are
something
you? You look so pretty.
I have something so delicious for you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, great.
A delicious mushroom soup and potatoes and eggs. Hi, Brent.
Anybody staying with me?
No?
No.
Are you alone?
I have no guys staying with me.
Okay.
Okay? So you come here anytime.
Oh, I will. I will. You look gorgeous, Mama.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you. Hello. Hello. Hi there. Hello.
So pretty. Love you.
Okay, love you, honey.
Okay, you have some ice pops
come-
now.
Yeah, and come here
Yes.
anytime.
I'll be back tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
All right. If you need me, you call me.
Yes.
Okay. Love you.